Experiencing a slow or delayed response from your iPhone's side button is a common issue. There are several reasons for this problem. Hardware wear is a big factor. Repeated use can degrade the internal components. Software glitches, like conflicts with accessibility features or background processes, can also cause delays. Physical obstructions, such as dust or lint, can disrupt the button's electrical connection. Even battery issues can sometimes mimic button unresponsiveness. Note, 12 to 15% of iPhone owners report side button sluggishness within the first 2 years of ownership, with higher rates up to 20% for models over 3 years old. First, try a simple restart of your iPhone to clear temporary glitches that might cause the delay. Next, clean the side button area with a soft, dry brush to remove any dust or debris that could interfere with its function. Check your accessibility settings to ensure no features like triple click or switch control are interfering with the button's function. Keep your iOS updated as Apple releases optimizations that can improve button responsiveness. In some cases, try a reset of all settings to resolve software-related delays. If these steps don't work, contact Apple support or visit an authorized service provider, as it could be a hardware issue requiring professional repair. Long-term, consider using Assistive Touch to minimize side button usage. The iPhone 15 Pro introduced an action button that replaces the side button for some functions, allowing customization via software. This suggests Apple is moving toward fully digital controls to reduce hardware failure points.